we're going to talk about how to use your breath to decompress your spine naturally without the use of equipment or machines and make you taller. So we're going to start this out as an exercise, but this actually can be applied to your breath all the time. So it doesn't need to be used as an exercise you do once or twice a day. But I'm going to show it to you as an exercise, and then I'll explain how it works as we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to first exhale all of your air out of your lungs, and I mean every last bit of it. And what that's going to do is it's going to require a lot of engagement from all your core muscles, because your core muscles are responsible for forceful exhales. And that's going to bring your rib cage down into its lowest expiratory position, because as your abdominals engage and contract, they're attached to your rib cage down to your pubic bone. They're going to pull it down. And after we exhale with our rib cage in the lowest expiratory position, we want to anchor that rib cage down and try and maintain it in that position as we inhale air back into our core. And if you imagine your core as a closed cylindrical chamber, as we talked about, and you increase the pressure into that chamber, there's only one place for it to go, and that's this direction. So we're maintaining our abdominals and our core muscles engaged so we don't lose that power and let it spill out the front. And you're actually going to feel the decompression in your spine, and you can feel yourself get a little bit taller. So I'll demonstrate right now. I'm going to exhale all my air out. Now you may or may not be able to see it, but I can actually feel myself get a little bit taller, and I can feel the decompression happening in my lumbar spine, where my problem has been in the past. And it's a really powerful exercise, and it doesn't need to be this intense all the time. This is the way I'm showing it to you for demonstration purposes. But like I said earlier, you can apply this to your normal breath, so that your breath is creating stability and decompression for you all the time, just by keeping a little bit of engagement here and having in mind the idea to keep your rib cage anchored down and connected to your pubic bone, and not flaring out so that the power is spilling out the front. We want to contain that power within our core, the closed cylindrical chamber, and allow our breath to expand up and down. It's a really powerful exercise. I use it all the time, and I encourage you guys to use it too.